and welcome to another episode of Aris Glamorous channel. And in this video, I'll be talking about a product which I have already done the haul video, and that is from the well-known brand of Wadi Hovels. And the link of the haul video is given in the description box below, so you can go and check it out or in the IBT of it. So the product I'll be talking here matches with my dress color. It is this cute yellow color container. As you can see, it's from the well-known brand of Wadi Herbals, and this is the anti-acne cream with clove, neem and tea tree extract. So the pricing of this are given here. It is really budget friendly, and that is the product I have put in my hands on and have been using from last 3 months, and it has completed. The whole container is empty now, and I'm ready to review it. The smell is amazing. Even though the product is not here yet, I can feel the amazing fragrance of this clove, tea tree and neem. So I'll be talking the details of this product and how it helped me. So if you have oily skin type and suffering from acne prone skin and acne and pimples everywhere on your face, then this cream can really work for you. So let's get started to this video and talk a little about this product. First of all, this comes with the outer packaging, which right now I couldn't get it. If you have seen the good the Wadi Hovels haul video, you will definitely see the container also. So the link is given in the description and at the I button. Now if you see it nicely, that this is a very tiny container of 30 grams. So this the price is also very reasonable. And let me tell you about the brand. Wadi Herbals is a brand, is an Indian based brand which already has a good reputation in the cosmetics, and also produces products with organic that does not contain parabens, sulfates or any harmful chemicals into it. Now packaging is quite durable. It is travel friendly too. It is a plastic container but travel friendly. Now the product inside came with the sealed packaging, and the product inside was white in color, simple cream. This says that, as it claims, that it is anti-acne cream and removes pimples, acne, blemishes, unclogs pores and prevents blackheads, prevents future acne eruption, grants clear and smooth skin. From the claims, as I have used and felt, that the first claim that it says remove acne, blemishes and pimples. Yeah, it quite removes the acne, pimples and blemishes, but it is not something that will do wonders within a night or two. So unclogs the pores and prevents blackheads. It is not so effective on blackheads, but yeah, I felt that it really tries to unclog the pore and also balances the melanin production in your skin. It prevents future acne eruption. So obviously if your pores are not clogged, then it will definitely help you in less production of acne. And grants clear and smooth skin. This clear and smooth skin is not totally, it is totally the fake thing that they do, because when you apply this, it gives, yeah, it really gives you a dry and glowy feelings on your skin, but that doesn't last for a long time. If you have darker skin tone and if you're thinking to use this and it will give you a brighter skin tone, that is not something, this is not going to work in that way. But yeah, if you have acne, you apply on the acne, you apply all over your face, you will feel the dryness, you will not feel the sweatiness or oiliness and greasiness on your skin. Else yeah, it reduces acne, but you have to wait for 10 to 15 days to use it quite every day. Yeah, if you are thinking and you have tried a lot of things for acne, and if this is a budget friendly one, then definitely go with this, give it a try. It might work great for you, because it worked for me. For acne, it really works great. So those were my reviews on this product, and I feel that this is a budget friendly one, and people having acne, my friends and I do also have, my sister, we have acne prone skin, and I when I had acne previously, I used a lot of things to remove it. I showed the doctor the skin treatment, and there was a lot of things told for acne. I tried a lot of DIYs, but acne are people having oily skin type like me. Acne are very prone to their skin, and it grows eventually, and then you don't have a control on it, so you have to waste a lot of money for buying products which everyone recommends. So I think this is a budget friendly one. You can definitely try it out. I hope it might work for you. Yeah, everyone's skin type is not same, and I don't have lot of acne now when it worked for me. So you can definitely give it a try. And people, if you have combination skin type, then this can be a great one. If you have very less of acne, like 4-5, then this can really work great. So those were the reviews of this product. Hope you will like it, and do check the Badi Herbal haul video too. Badi Herbal brings really good products, and the one which I always love from the Badi Herbals is the honey lemon face wash that also comes in the yellow color, and this is great one if you have acne skin type. I'll just throw a picture over here, which I don't have, and if you combine this Badi Herbal lemon honey with this, I think that might work more great. And obviously in the budget, affordable organic products, and that also Indian based brands, can really work great for you. Now for Badi Herbals, they have also another product, that is soap, that is a scrub soap, that is my favorite thing, and I really love it. If you wanted to get the soap, then you can check out the Amazon, Flipkart, Nykaa, Purple, everywhere you will get Badi Herbal products. So Badi Herbal products are available everywhere, so go and grab it. If you are looking for a good soap to remove your tan from your body, a good scrubbing soap that really works great, I always keep it handy. So I have reviewed that in my channel, so I'll link it in the description box below or in the I button above, so you can see it and you can purchase it. So any type of skin type you have, you can definitely go with that soap. Now talking about this product, go with this product, and if you feel this works for you, then go with the face wash too. Yeah, that was all for this video. I think that was all I wanted to talk about this product. So hope you have felt it a little helpful. If you did, then please hit on the like button. It encourages us to make new videos and bring valuable contents for you. Do share it with all your friends. Just comment us below your opinion regarding this video or any other video content you wanted us to make. Do subscribe to our channel, click the bell icon beside it, and don't forget to click on the all notification button on the bell icon so you don't miss out any of our videos. Yeah, that is all for this video. If you stay blessed, stay happy, and